Welcome back to our channel One to Step. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can add Instagram music on a post after you post it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe. So this is the post I've already posted, and let's say I want to add a music to it. So in order to add music to a post you have already posted, what you can do is click on the little arrow button right beside the post, which is also known as the share button. Click on it, and then at the bottom you can see add to story option. You want to click on add to story. Now once you're inside story, at the top you can see a little smiley icon with the bottom part folded. You want to click on that, and from over here you can see the music's option. Click on it. If you don't see it, you can always search for music and it should show it to you. Once you click on music, it's going to ask you which music to use. I'm just going to choose a random one, and then I'm going to choose which part I want. So I want it to be used in this part. I'm going to click on done, and music has been added on my story. Now what I can do is click on this little arrow at the side in the bottom and click on where it says share, and what I can do is click on done. Once I do that, this will be added to my story. So let's wait for some time until it's added to my story. And once it's uploaded in your story, you can basically download it. You can click on the three dot right beside or like in the bottom, click on save video, click on save. Now what just happened is this has been saved on my phone's gallery. Now once it's saved on your phone's gallery, you can click on the plus at the bottom, and as you guys can see in the bottom, you can see this little video which I just downloaded from Instagram. I can choose it and click on next, share, and as you guys can see, now the post has been reposted with the music on it. So that's how you guys can add Instagram post with the music after posting it. You just have to put music in it and repost it. That's the only thing you can do. So hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.